Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you can't follow anymore on your Instagram, so how you can fix it. So first thing you need to know that mostly it's just a block from Instagram, so you just need to wait some time. It depends on the situation because sometimes you need to wait several hours, sometimes it can takes about several days, so it depends on situations and also mostly you just need to wait some time until Instagram will unblock the section for you. Or you can also try it in another way, so just go to the settings. In the settings, if you're using Wi-Fi, just change your network to another Wi-Fi, or just try to use cellular data. And if you're using cellular data, just turn off cellular data and turn on Wi-Fi. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.